You're clumsy. That's why. No.
What?
Clumsy. You want to move and move and move and move and juba chuchu.
I like move it, move it. Move it.
What is the name of your teacher, Liam?
You know.
Ay, the family name. What?
You know.
You don't know, ah? Naku, you did not tell me. Oh, you did not tell me.
I don't know.
Oh, why you do not know? Why you don't know, huh? Is your teacher? Ask her, ma'am, what is your name and your family name?
I don't
Because my
know.
Lola wants to know who is my teacher. Huh? Tell her, huh?
The family name starts with G.
G. G. Galvinus?
I don't know.
Like Galvez?
I don't know the family name, but I know it starts with G.
Go.
Huh?
Go.
No, I don't know. I don't know.
That is your family name when you're still single.
Buson. I think it's
Gonzalo.
Buson. Gonzalo? Ang maestra?
Is talaga pa si May Gonzalo.
Ah,
Yan na
si
sila.
May. Okay. Your teacher in Towards. What is the name of teacher? Kaya sa field din.
Bikoy.
Ha?
Bikoy.
Bikoy? Di pa rin, hindi yung Big Big. Baka, Bikoy, marasa Big Big talaga. Mga Bikoy na sila. Nasa ba niya ba? Saka si May nagtindi na ba yun? Sa una.
Share mo siya. Yung mom ng speaker sa esklahan. Kung mo pa siya tatuan. Ang nakakuha ng social trabaho. Pero my goodness.
Maguman yan sa high school to. Ay, pauli namin sa unsa ba ni diri, magpataw or anak. Ninabay namin sa baroy, nabay tayo ng garmin. Bata, bayo lang sa lala. Pataw di ari unsa ba. Oh, you want to talk to your Lord?
Haha.
Because it's already afternoon na. 4:35 na din. Akong papya. Para sa driver na tayo. Kawayan Bangko. Kanang ibutang nila sa likod. Mga driver sa Barcelona na sila game. Para diliin ito. Ang sabay magpato, malimpan.
Lala.
Providence. Wala ba niya?
Amot.
Alam ko si Parete, pero ang barangay ba? Patong siya. Katong kami pa yung sa ipil hapig yung may disgrasya. Gusto ko sa padagal papa, dahil amot sa Kulatan.